What's happening? Oh shit. Get that out of here. Drop some ass. Okay. Welcome to my channel, man. Syntech Reviews, you dig. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, all that, man. Look, I'm finna, you know what I'm saying? It's my baby, my R1. You know what I mean? It's my baby. I got this whole goddamn entire shed pretty much for this. I'm about to work on my baby and rebuild it. You know? I'm finna get it right. You know, if you want to tune in, I'm gonna be making like one video a week. So I slowly break this down and rebuild it. You know, she need a little work. You know, see, so, you know, as I get a little closer, you'll see a few things. You know, shit dirty, yeah. You know, pipes rusted and yeah. Couple little things here and there. Fans ain't all the way, you know what I'm saying? Just small things here and there. These jams fading. So the bike need a lot. It needs a lot. And you know what? Yeah, is that better? The bike needs a lot, man. So I'm trying to figure it out right now. And I already got a couple things ordered. Major things. Matter of fact, I got a new frame for it right here. You know what I'm saying? I don't feel like taking that bitch down, even though it ain't heavy. But it's a new frame. I might paint the frame. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get out of the ordinary black. I'm tired of seeing the same motorcycles, man. They all look the same. I'm doing something out of the ordinary. You know? And like I said, check me out, you know. Subscribe. It's gonna be once a week that I'm posting. And yeah. You wanna check it out, see me break this down. You see I already got some tools laid out and everything. Like, I'm ready, spaghetti. I'm ready. I still need a few things, you know what I'm saying? Like, stuff I wasn't even prepared for, you know? Like, I'm sure I could use a little vice grip or monkey grip or something for that, but that, this right here, I ain't got a big enough jam for that. And this, which like I said, I can use a vice. I just want the right socket. I got all these damn tools. I don't want to use no little monkey jump with a socket jack, man, you know? But like I said, tune in. Check me out, man. See what I do to this jank, man. It's going to be some stuff that's different, off the wall, you know? Not your ordinary-ish, you know? So, yeah, like, share, subscribe, man. One video a week coming on this monster right here. We're going to fix her up. We're going to get her right. Resurrect her. Peace.